They failed. And then they tried to bribe me with 2 million rand. And that's when I got a visit from Edward Zuma, the Erstwhile president's son, wanted to see me in my office. He came to my office and requested me to release the 15 million rand. And I asked him why I should do that. And he said to me that, well, he was a silent partner of the businessman and that he had invested in his business. Obviously, I declined the request.
Interesting. So he just messaged you, I want a meeting with you, and
He phoned my secretary and he wanted a meeting with me, and she told me, and I said to her, well, it's fine. But then he indicated he would like to meet me in a restaurant or somewhere else. And I said to him, no. If he wants to meet me, he should come to my office so it can be diarized into her diary, and it'll be an official meeting so that there's record of the meeting itself. What happened is with this investigation, there were attempts to stop the investigation from senior management within SAPS. They failed to do that. We proceeded with the investigation. The protagonists then took us to court to try and overturn the investigation. They failed. And then they tried to bribe me with 2 million rand. They once again failed because after they placed some of the money in my car, we had them arrested.